Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
Do you feel like you've got a great ability to predict the future? Have you wanted to turn this into an investment opportunity? Well, if so, then you are in luck, because today we are going to talk about Kalshi and prediction markets. But before we get into that, my name is Daniel J. Glenn, also known as the Crypto Keeper. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. That's the best way to ensure your financial future. So what is a prediction market? I want to talk about this really quickly. We did do a previous video on it, but I think it bears repeating. So these came about when people realized that analysts on various shows, be it news, about politics, about sports, analysts were wholly inaccurate for most of their futures predicting. It wasn't really good. It was entertaining for sure. I love watching all these shows, but it wasn't accurate. And so what prediction markets were able to do is say, we're going to incentivize future predicting, and then people who know, it incentivizes people to figure out what is actually going to happen, and using mass knowledge of people, you are able to actually predict the future much better. It's actually phenomenal. So today we're going to talk about Kalshi, specifically their brand new Pro website, which is free for everyone, and it is very easy to use. So let's go check that out. So here is so we go to pro.kalshi.com and you're able to log in. It's free. What actually makes it great, it just launched. And so before, you used to have to use your phone, and the phone app, it's fine, but you'd have to have spreadsheets open if you're trying to predict certain things. You have to have all this kind of research running around. And here, everything is all on one platform. And I love this. So let's look at some of these prediction markets. So here's something that I was looking at specifically. I'm a sports fan. I love basketball. I was looking at LeBron James, who his next team is. And right around the 23rd, we're going to walk through it right here. This is kind of what's amazing, right? So now they don't have all the teams here, which is unfortunate because I could really walk you through this. But I walked in when the chances of LeBron James going to Miami were predicting about 45%. Now, what that means in Kalshi terms is you can invest in that outcome. So, 0 to 100 cents is $1. So what these do is you can trade in the futures of that, meaning you can trade for one share, one option. You can purchase it for whatever the going percentage rate is. So for example, on July 23rd at 4 p.m., I could trade in Miami, getting LeBron James as his future team for 45 cents. Now, when he finally chooses, and if it is Miami, all of those contracts pay out at $1, meaning I would make 55 cents per share that I purchased in this contract. And what's great about this is you can actually it's just like investing. It is investing. In fact, as a matter of fact, you can do long trades, you can do short trades, you can even leverage. I wouldn't do that. Well, you can do it if you know what's going on, but be very careful because you can actually lose more than you put in. So then there's no guarantee in returns on any of this stuff, of course. So be very careful. Like I always say, do your own research, but that's basically how it works. So July 23rd, 4 p.m., Miami's going for basically 45 cents per contract, per share. Philadelphia is at 8.8%. And what they don't show you is that it was basically between Miami and Cleveland. I think Cleveland was going at 28%. And as you watch, what's great about this is in real time, you can see July 23rd, 10 p.m., it starts to move. And at some point, right around July 24th at 7 a.m., boom, these switch. Philadelphia wasn't even on most people's radar. As a matter of fact, Miami again was the leader. Miami immediately drops to 2%. So the mass market predicted all this. I don't know exactly when he announced it, but then you can see Philadelphia's at basically at 2, and then boom, 11 a.m. switch. That must have been when he announced it. Philadelphia, 99%. So what that means is that if you had purchased one at 8% here on July 23rd, when I was looking at this, for 8 cents, you can trade at 8 cents, it would have been worth $1 now. So you would have made 92 cents per share. This is wild. This is not what anyone expected. And what's great about this is you can do this for, it's a trading in world events. And so you can have a real stake in what's going on in the world. And again, use your predictive powers to your advantage. The other interesting thing here is that you can invest in the future prediction of just about everything. you've got elections, so you can look at elections not just in the I think this is just in America, but you can go across Democratic nominee, Texas state, South Dakota Republican winner, sports. Are you into sports? Here you go, LeBron James' next team. We talked about that ad nauseum. You can look at the Live Golf United Kingdom champion, 3M Open winner. Football. Football season's coming up. What can we do? We can look at this is the CFL. Who knew that you could purchase in the future of the CFL? But you certainly can. It's all right here. Crypto. I think they even have, you can predict the price of Bitcoin today, in the future, by Friday, next Friday, Ethereum, culture. This is kind of interesting. So this is where you have, Rotten Tomato scores, Big Brother season winners, Oscars. We talked about that. So it's very interesting. And most people have an opinion about everything. And this is certainly the place to put it to good use. And what's great about Kalshi is this is the first CFTC regulated site, meaning it's onshore. You've got all of it being, this is similar to all of your stock trading platforms. It has the same level of protections, and going to this professional trading platform, pro.kalshi.com, is the way to go. Here's what's great. Here's an offer exclusive. This site is if you trade $25. You have a chance to $500. Kalshi.com/r/coins. They'll be in the description. So that's our promo code. And I have to tell you, I think these are so interesting. I mean, this is the wave of the future, really. And it is an investment tool. It is certainly, you can certainly do all of that, and I highly recommend it. But what's so interesting about it is this is really the wave of predicting the future. I think when we start adding AI to all of this, you're going to find ways that when you start seeing pattern recognition, this is really the launching pad for all of that. Is all these prediction markets, Kalshi at the top of that list. And yeah, I just find it really interesting. Anyway, in conclusion, Kalshi, pro.kalshi.com. Check out the website. If you think you can predict the future, this will prove it 100%. Here, let me show you one other thing really quickly. So here is Oscar winner, Best Picture, The Odyssey and Dune Part 3. Now, all the pictures haven't been disclosed yet, but you could right now purchase a share of The Odyssey at 57 cents, 57 cents a contract, and it wins, it pays out. But what's interesting, a lot of these dark horses win, and you start to see, like I showed you with LeBron James, these switches. It happened with the Nobel Peace Prize last year. It's just fascinating. If you like watching how the future plays out in real time, this is the way to do it. So check it out, Kalshi, pro.kalshi.com. Just take a look, peruse their brand new website. It is so much fun, and this emerging market is something that I'm very excited about. But let me know what you think about it. Check out the comment section below. See what other people are thinking. Let me know your thoughts. And again, like, subscribe, share this video to all the people out there who you think might be interested. And again, got that promo code down in the link if you want to give it a run for yourself. So until next time, thank you for watching.